Welcome back to day 13 of our 30-day trading podcast journey. Yesterday we talked about the emotional and practical steps to navigate losing streaks, and today we are switching the gears to focus on the winning streaks. Now I know what you are thinking. Winning streaks are great, right? And they are. There is nothing like the feeling of seeing trading after trade go in your favor. But here is the catch. Winning streaks can be just as dangerous as losing streaks if you don't manage them properly. It's easy to get overconfident, loosen up on your discipline, and make mistakes that can wipe out your hard-earned gains. So in today's episode, we will talk about how to handle winning streaks, avoid overconfidence, and stay grounded so that you can keep your momentum going without taking unnecessary risks. Let's dive in. Let's start by acknowledging that winning streaks feel amazing. When you are on a hot streak, your confidence soars and it seems like you can do no wrong. But here is where the danger lies, that overconfidence. During a winning streak, many traders start to feel invincible. They begin to believe that they have mastered the market, which can lead to overtrading, taking on bigger positions than usual, or ignoring their risk management rules. This is what we call the euphoria trap, the sense that you can do anything and still win. But the market has a way of humbling even the best traders. The moment you start ignoring your rules, the same market that rewarded you can turn around and take it all back. So it's essential to stay grounded and recognize that winning streaks are part of the game, just like losing streaks. They don't make you a genius or immune to mistakes. So how do you manage the temptation of overconfidence during a winning streak? Here are some key strategies. Stick to your trading plan. No matter how well things are going, it's critical to continue following your trading plan. Just because you are winning doesn't mean you should abandon the strategies that you got you there in the first place. Stick to your entry and exit criteria. Follow your risk management rules and resist the urge to make impulsive trades based on your emotions. Keep position sizes consistent. One of the most common mistakes traders make during a winning streak is to increase their position sizes, but they feel because more confident. While it's tempting to go bigger when you are winning, this can quickly backfire. Remember, just because you are on a winning streak doesn't mean you are invincible. Keeping your position sizes consistent will protect you from giving back your gains if the market turns up against you. Avoid overtrading. Another trap traders fall into is overtrading. When you are winning, it's easy to think that every trade will be a winner, leading you to take more trades than usual. But overtrading often leads to lower quality setups and more risk. Stay disciplined and focus only on the best opportunities, just like you would during any other market condition. Here is a tip that may sound counterintuitive. Take a break during a winning streak. Why? Because when you are riding high on success, your emotions can cloud your judgment. Taking a step back from the screen, even for a short while, can help you reset and avoid falling into the trap of the overconfidence. It also helps you maintain a healthy balance between being excited about your success and staying cautious about the next trade. Winning streaks can sometimes put you in a state of euphoria, where you feel like you have unlocked some secret to the market. But remember, the market is always changing and no one is immune to losses. Taking breaks during a winning streak can help you stay humble, refocus, and maintain your edge. While you are enjoying your winning streak, it's also important to think about how you are managing your profits. Here are a few strategies to help protect your gains. Lock in profits. During a winning streak, you might feel tempted to let your trades run longer than usual because you assume that the market will keep going in your way. But it's crucial to stick to your original profit targets and lock in your gains. Don't let greed get in the way of smart decision making. Tighten stop losses. Another good tactic during a winning streak is to tighten your stop losses. As your trades move in your favor, consider adjusting your stop loss levels to lock in profits while giving the trade room to breathe. This way you protect your capital without cutting your winners too early. Withdraw some profits. If you have been on a significant winning streak, one way to ensure you don't give it all back is to withdraw some of your profits. This can help solidify the success you have achieved and reduce the temptation to take unnecessary risks with your capital. One of the most important things to remember during a winning streak is to stay humble. Markets can turn at any time, and winning streaks don't last forever. Your goal as a trader should always be to focus on long-term consistency rather than short-term success. Think of your trading journey as a marathon, not as a sprint. Winning streaks are just one part of the process. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a hot streak, but the real challenge is maintaining your discipline and consistency over time. Keep your focus on the bigger picture and don't let a few winning trades give you a false sense of security. That wraps up day 13. We have covered a lot of ground today, from the emotional highs of winning streaks to the importance of staying disciplined and avoiding overconfidence. Remember, winning streaks are great, but only if you can manage them properly and not let them cloud your judgment. Tomorrow we'll be diving into another important topic, that is the trading psychology and the importance of self-discipline. It's a crucial part of trading success, so don't miss it. Thanks again for joining me today. If you are enjoying the podcast, make sure to subscribe and share it with your fellow traders. Stay focused, stay humble, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you everyone.